Hi everyone, my name is Veronica. I'm an artist and teacher, and I'm here to help you take your digital illustration skills to the next level so that you can illustrate and Procreate like a pro. Welcome to Beginner's Procreate series. We will have a look at tons of tips and tricks for using basic Procreate tools, and we will talk about ways to add even more depth and detail to your digital illustration. This class specifically introduces using blend modes in Procreate. Today, we focus on learning about multiply to add variation and contrast that makes your work really stand out. This series of classes is great for both ambitious beginners as well as for intermediate students who would wish to solidify their knowledge in using Procreate as their tool. First, we will create a botanical flat color base, and then we will look at 3 easy ways to add more interest to it using multiply blend mode: adding shadows, adding textures, and adding extra details. All of those techniques will allow us to stay within a consistent color palette. We'll be turning a flat color drawing into a bold illustration with lots of variation. Grab your pencils and let's start learning.